In this video, we'll see how to create a subscribe animation in Filmora. Before that, if you're new to this channel, then do consider subscribing and check out more Filmora related tutorials. This tutorial is divided into two parts. The first will be using direct animation in Filmora, and second one will be building the subscribe animation from scratch. So in the first part of the subscribe animation, we'll be using a green screen video over our normal video. So let me show you how this works. So first let me bring this gradient in the timeline. So okay, this is getting downloaded. Okay, so this will be the background of this image. So now let me go to the media file and I will bring this down in the timeline, and let me expand it. As you can see the green part. So this is the one you saw in the intro. So I will be using this still over here. So let me cut it. So as you can see, you can only see the green part and not the behind part. So what I will do, I'll click on this and go to this green screen option over here, or you can just right click and go from here. So I will go to green screen and I will select the color picker and pick this color. So as you can see, the animation has been done. If you want to resize this animation, you can do the same, and you can add this at the side as well. As you can see, let's play this. So that was the normal animation that we just saw. That's the first part, using the green screen. I have linked both the green screen in the description below, and both these videos are copyright free, so you can use them without hesitation. Now let's see how to create the green subscribe animation from scratch. I will first go to the titles and bring one title into the timeline. Now I don't need to edit this. What I will do, I will directly go into the advanced option by double clicking over here and going to advanced. Here I will delete this first, and then I will add this shape into the layer. As you can see, I have added the shape. Now what I will do, I will edit this text inside it and I will write subscribe. So as you can see, I have added this text. Now I'll resize it and I will place it over here. So as you can see, I have placed it, but and if as you can see, this background is already red color. If you are not able to find red color, what you need to do, go down over here. Here you can see shape fill. So just to make sure you select this color as red. Now we will go to animation, make sure this part is selected, and then you can select any of these animation from here. So I will select the boom animation. Let's click OK and let's see how this plays out. Let me just decrease the total duration. As you can see, the animation plays, and once you're done with this, you can just save this as a custom preset, and you will find this in the custom option over here. Every time anytime you want to create a new video, so you can directly drag this and you can use this directly. So that's it guys, with this subscribe YouTube animation video tutorial. Hope you guys like it. If you guys like it, then do check out more Filmora related tutorials in our channel and subscribe to our channel. So see you guys in another video. Till then, see you.